Yes, finally the train has arrived, so we will go inside and go to Orchard Road. Okay, so let's go.
Look for the J. See if it's got it on there.
Look for where I bought my Orchard Hotel. Where's the Orchard Hotel? Are we in there?
So I will be going out at Orchard Road. I will be going to Lucky Plaza. This is where the Filipinos are usually. They like to stand by or just hang out in this place. This is the Filipino hangout. So I will be going there. I'm gonna check the place out since I've been there since 2014 last time. So let's go. Okay, so Lucky Plaza is here. I'll be going out here in this lift. It's got escalator. So that is the famous Lucky Plaza, the Filipino hangout. Yeah, mostly all Filipinos are there. Filipino food also are in the uppermost floor in the food court, so maybe I will check that out. So let's go explore. Since the last time I've been here, it was 2014. Let's go. Yeah, so there is Jollibee here, I remember. I'm in Lucky Plaza.
Ganyan, isa lang. Kain dito.
So I can't believe the last time I was here was 2014. And now 2026 I am back here in Orchard Road.